Hi everyone, I'm Heather. Welcome to Strings and Threads, streaming to you from my dungeon of dreams. Join me in the magical world of crochet, knitting, and all things yarn. If you're a fellow yarn enthusiast, hit that subscribe button and become part of our creative journey. Let's dive into today's project. Hi, welcome to Things We're Making Thursday.
Things We're Making Thursday, Things We're Making Thursday.
Things We're Making Thursday is a collab that's in its third year. This year is the year of design, so there are themes for each month. If you are interested in that, take a look in my description. You are welcome to join this collab. There's no one to ask permission from. You just start making videos and just put the hashtag TWMT. So what we're doing is we are trying to create our own project based on the theme, and the theme this month is bags. So I've been going by drawstring bags. Bags could be a lot of things. It could be a bag, I'm queen to my shoulder, but like a purse kind of bag, or a market bag, or drawstring bag. You know, whatever you think of for bag, that's fine. I've been showing drawstring bags all month from my book, Fantastic Fantasy Drawstring Bags. This is not in the book, but this is one that I did for the collab that I'm in, Battle of the Stitches. This was one of the projects I designed, and I used a stitch called the Pin Tuck Ridges to make this. I'm calling it a magic egg drawstring bag. Like, it could be a unicorn egg, a dragon bag, or dragon egg, whatever you can think of. And then I have the drawstring here, and you open it up. You could put your treasures in there, put your gaming pieces, anything that you want. So that's what I wanted to show for today. There's another one that I made for Battle of the Stitches. I made a mermaid tail bag. I'll put a picture of it here. I believe that month I ended up giving that away. So I don't, or if I didn't, I can't find it anywhere, but I'm pretty sure that was in a giveaway. So I'll put a picture of it here so you can see it. And I have tutorials for both the magic egg and for the mermaid drawstring bags. And I'll link them at the end of the video so that you can find them very easily. And so I encourage you to join us if you don't want to make videos, but you still want to make projects with the theme for the month. We have a Facebook group, which I've listed down below, and you're welcome to join the Facebook group if you want to enter projects, or if you want to just see what everybody else is making, or be in there for the social aspect. And that's fine too. You don't have to only join if you are creating something. It's a group that's open to anybody who's interested in crocheting and sharing projects. So thanks for watching. I hope all of you have a great day, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.